messing with him. Ah! That's what you get for messing with him.
Whoa!
Yeah!
Nice.
Hey, are you running away? Yeah, you want to hold the camera? Yeah, okay. Thank you. That's so nice.
Oh, thank you.
We're in a really, yeah.
Linky, are you ready to go get your supplies for your first day of school?
Yeah.
Yeah. That was like.
The vlog has begun.
And there's another kid.
Yes, good job. Good afternoon, beautiful people.
What's up, guys?
We're actually doing something pretty special today because we are going to get all of Lincoln's school supply lists because he's starting school in a few days.
What in the actual heck, guys? This is crazy.
I'm like all of the feels. I literally feel like crying because, and it's not even like kindergarten for him, it's preschool.
It's preschool, but it's still school, you know?
It's his first time being in like a classroom setting, and so I think it's a really big deal.
Yeah.
But he's starting school on Monday, and it's Friday, so we only have a few days left. So we've been talking back and forth with his teachers and the school, and they sent over a supply list for us to pick up a few things for the classroom, and we need to get like a lunchbox and water bottle and maybe a few t-shirts and things like that. All of the boys want to come because, you know, it's the store. We're gonna go to Target. So
it's gonna be great.
So we're just gonna take all the boys out and go do that and then drop it all off at his new school so he is ready to go for Monday morning. But this just, I don't know, it feels like a big milestone for some reason.
It's a big deal, guys. It's like our little boy is like growing up.
The baby going off to school.
It's crazy.
That's what it is. It's because he's the youngest too. I mean, I actually really pretty much cried with all the kids when they started kindergarten, but Lincoln's the baby of the family, so I feel like all the more we're just like, oh.
Yeah.
Anyways, guys, we are we're gonna round up the boys and get them in the car and head to Target.
Guys, check this out before we do that. Look at this. You see this haircut?
Oh gosh.
She did this. If you guys didn't watch, in the last vlog we were getting ready to get my haircut, and then I posted a video on my channel of her cutting my hair. She did such a good job.
Terrible.
I'm like really impressed.
For someone who doesn't know anything about cutting hair,
I'm like pretty blown away. So
thank you. I'm actually very surprised that
really
it didn't like completely bomb. But I mean, I don't know how to fade hair, so I feel like the fade's
No, you
not
did
that
a
good,
really good fade. Like it was really good. So
I am really proud because he keeps like saying that it looks really good. So I'm like, okay, I feel like, you know. Yeah.
You ready to go to the store, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. You wanna go call the boys?
Say,
let's go tell them. Jude. He's calling them. He says, time to go, guys. You ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's go. Just roll with it. Let me ask Lincoln if he likes this. Do you like this shirt?
Yeah.
You like it?
He's kissing it.
Okay, I think we like it.
I think it's a win.
This one's really cute too.
There you
because
go,
it's like
buddy.
The classic colors, and you can actually fit the thing in here.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Which is nice. I like that, and then you're not like constantly losing the sippy cup, right? What do you think about that, Lincoln? This one good?
What do you think of that, buddy?
Does that look good for you?
I
think
that's a good one.
You share
You
it?
want some popcorn? Aw, say thanks, brother.
Thank you.
You mean to get it? Nice. Well done. So we need 2 of those.
Okay, 2 of these.
Like, do we make it 3?
Oh, this is what we bought for the boys.
Yeah.
Homeschool stuff. Okay.
Hey, grab another.
They've got
Grab a stripe.
Aww.
Did you like blue?
Oh.
Okay. So some of the things that they need are just like toothbrush, toothpaste, that kind of thing. I think they work with them on teeth brushing skills, and we need to find some rain boots for him because they take them outside to play, and it's pretty rainy in the spring here, so I might need to order a few things online, but we can at least pick up an extra toothbrush and toothpaste and lunchbox and that kind of stuff while we're here. Right, Linky? Does this one look
Yeah.
good? Do you want to get some of that?
Yeah.
He kisses. He's like kissing everything.
There he is. He's so happy. Show me what you got, buddy. What is that? Is that your new toothbrushes? They're so good, huh, buddy?
Yeah.
He said, look at this toothbrush, Mom.
He loves to brush your teeth. Okay guys, I would call that a successful shopping trip at Target. Yeah, we had a good time. We got everything that we needed, and the kids got some snacks. Actually, we didn't get everything we needed because I have to order that nap mat off of
Or a nap mat.
Amazon.
We need to order a blanket.
A little
right?
blanket. Yeah, they didn't really have a good blanket.
And
so
rain boots.
yeah, okay, so the rain boot thing I feel like is going to be a little tricky because we do want some boots that are obviously going to stay dry for him. But
that'll
at the
have
same
support.
time, yeah, but rain boots are not really, I mean, those are kind of heavy and clunky and he wouldn't be able to wear his braces with them. So I'm kind of thinking maybe the snow boots because
That's what I was thinking, actually.
yeah, Linky. The snow boots that we took skiing with us, those actually work really well because you can like Velcro them pretty tightly around his legs, so they actually are pretty supportive.
Yeah.
So maybe we'll send some snow boots with him, you know, which will work until it gets warm outside, so that's probably fine.
Yeah.
But we ended up getting a couple of these little bins here that they wanted to have, and some changes of clothes, and some little sheets that go on like the nap mat that we're going to be ordering, and then just some diapers and wipes, and some toothpaste and toothbrushes. Yeah. And they said they do work on like brushing teeth and potty training and all of that good stuff, so that's really cool too.
It's gonna be huge.
And then we did get a lunchbox and cute little thermos and that kind of stuff, so it's gonna be fun to be like putting together like little, you know, lunchbox meals for Lincoln. And you know, you guys know how much he loves to eat, so I feel like this is gonna be really fun to just kind of put all of his special things in there. But maybe we should practice at home, like have him like eat out of a lunchbox at home so he kind of understands the concept, you know. I'm sure it probably won't be a problem because he loves to eat
pretty quick.
Yeah, he loves to eat anyways, but just so he's familiar with like, okay, like this is what it's like to like, you know, unzip your lunchbox and you have like all your little different things, or I don't know. Maybe I'm overthinking this, but he's the baby of the family, so I'm just wanting to make sure everything goes really smoothly for him. But we need to go ahead and drop these things off and then get home so I can hopefully order something that can come in time.
Get here in time for Monday.
Yeah, Amazon Prime something to come in like the next couple of days. But yeah, other than that, we're pretty much ready to go. So I'm like, I'm so excited.
Seriously, man.
It's gonna be
nuts.
so good.
It's gonna be so good.
Isn't it, Lincoln? Is it gonna be so good? Yeah, you got it. He's showing.
You mean
All
this
the kids,
is going to be so good?
Yeah,
This
all the kids
burrito?
picked out a treat, and so they shared a couple of little chippies with Linky, and he's very much enjoying it. Yeah, you are. Okay, let's go drop this stuff off. There we go. Alright. Yeah, Linky. Okay guys, so we made it home and we have a lot of things to go through, and I got a bunch of pantry items because I'm going to be doing my very first vlog on my personal channel soon, doing kind of a pantry and laundry room overhaul, because honestly this house is laid out so very differently than our previous homes, and so we're having to get kind of creative on organization and storage, and especially when it comes to food stuff because we have so many kids to feed, so I feel like there's always like room for improvement in that area. Just trying to make sure that we are staying organized, because at this point we're just kind of like throwing things in the pantry and it's just kind of chaos. So I'll probably have a vlog up on my personal channel next week kind of showing that whole process. Might have the kids kind of help me out with it a little bit because it's kind of overwhelming. There's a lot that's going to go into it, but I'm really excited. And so yeah, I just need to unpack these things and kind of get some ideas for Lincoln's lunchbox and make sure that I have everything on hand so that he has all of his favorites. It is a nut-free school, and so I'm gonna have to get creative with that because he loves to eat peanut butter and trail mix and that kind of stuff. So we're gonna have to make sure that we have a bunch of other options for him that will work well. But I'm really excited to do that, and yeah, I think it's gonna be really great. He's like, Daddy, you had some good food.
You gonna eat all my stuff?
All that shopping makes us hungry, huh? Is that good?
You like the black beans? Thank you.
You're so silly. Is that yummy? You like that one? We really like these gluten-free noodles, guys. Can you see that? It's like gluten-free pad thai, and it's so yummy. Every time Lincoln sees me making this, he comes and sits right next to me, and he's like, ooh, let's share this. More? Okay, Lincoln, wait, what do you say? More. Good job. That's what you say. Say, we like more. Yes, we do. Whoops, Mommy's making a mess there. You got it. Anyways, guys, we're just gonna finish up some lunch, and I've got to put away all the stuff that we brought in over here, and I need to order his nap mat before, so that we hopefully have time. Yeah. It's so funny.
Turns more into a song.
More. Okay. More. We like the more noodles. Yes, we do.
Now that there's a vacancy next to my wife, I'm gonna sit next to you. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. We've got a lot of stuff to do around the house, including watching the latest WandaVision episode, which is awesome.
Oh yeah, the boys are so excited about that.
So that's kind of our Friday ritual right now, which is incredible, and we're having fun with that. So we're gonna put Lincoln down for a nap, take care of some stuff, and say bye. But we can't wait to see you guys on Wednesday for Lincoln's first day of school vlog, which is going to be awesome. So we can't wait to see you. We'll see you guys later.
Bye, guys.
You guys want to say bye-bye to all of our YouTube family?
Bye.
What'd you say, buddy? You want to say bye?
Bye.
For your name.